Hey boys, Aaron here from Iron Mesa, or I don't know what my new YouTube account's called, that's my old one. Don't know if I'm going to start making videos on the other one or fighting right now. I don't know, I'm just going to show you my like Aussie Mighty Car Mods board as hell. So I thought I'd do a bike check. This here is my 2012 stolen. My iPhone's so zoomed in for some reason. So fixed inside this, only got one piece, but I'm getting 3 pieces from this old diamond back on Grab. It's exactly like Anton's one, so you mean? So let's start from front to back. Here I have the Xposure pry bars, blue, pretty nice. Venom long dike grips with the letters on them. Free agent stem from a free agent trial bender, descended to free agent for stock rims, apart from the back one, with maxxis, hook rim tyres, cool mean blue dust cap, stock forks, and I don't have thermal lights on it. I put that sticker there, looks pretty nice. Stock frame, took the brakes off obviously. This Repco seat, which I just put on earlier, because I originally had a plastic one, it wasn't much comfortable. That's what she said. But these purple VP pedals, they're kind of broken, see look. This one's broken I think. How much this one's it? No? I don't know, it's broken. I don't know. This one's from a Kmart Southern Star bike, but because the original one broke, the axle bearings are fucked. So I just use this one, better than nothing. Same tyre. I read those caps, I've got blue one there and a red one there. Pretty mean. And so yeah, it's basically my bike. Give you a view. Is it? And I've got the sprocket, but guess what? Who cares? I don't care. Bloody heck. Yeah. I'll show you the sprocket I'll be getting. Or hopefully we'll be getting. Don't see anything. I might be in there. See these 3-piece cranks. I want those bars too. I'm not showing you what it is, just placing on bids on it. Thanks for watching, peace out, comment and subscribe. Latest.